Here I have prepared the project for client-side application named TCP Date Client App. I have imported client date frame into this project, which is this one. Okay, you can refer to the previous video on how to create a new project and importing a class into the project. Let me explain the methods that are available by client-date-frame.java. The purpose of this class is to display the current date sent from the server. Here we have several methods, which is to update the connection status, okay, whether it is connected to the server or connection has been established, and another method to display the server date. So we have two methods only. The other methods are about loading component and arranging the GUI component. I have created a new class named client date application. This class will launch the client date frame.java. So let's produce an output similar to the one displayed in slide 50. Okay, we do not need this line, remove it. Okay, launch client side frame. Okay, so client date frame. Okay, client frame equal to new client date frame. Okay, then we set the visibility to true. Okay, then we try to run it from Eclipse here. Click run, and this is our second output. Okay, so the screen appears here similar to the one described in slide number 50, so I think we are good.